blessing sa atin to ni Lord. Kaya yung mga natitirang araw, ibuhos natin yung puso natin. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat ng effort na binigay niyo.
Sa taping na kasi ako mag-make. Marami akong eksena today. Lahat ng may mga chef yan, ako yan. Okay naman. But right now, it's lunch break and kakain na muna tayo ng konti para meron tayong pang-energy. Kasama ko ngayon ay si Butchok dahil si Bertie meron daw siyang pictorial para sa Pride Month. Susunod na lang siya dito. And okay lang kasi mahaba-haba ang araw natin today. Kaya naman, tayo ay kakain muna. Si Andy nga pala, hinatid ako kanina. Time to be healthy today. Meron tayong saging na saba. Avocado. Itlog. Kamote. Saging na hindi saba. Ay! Siyempre, ang salmon and broccoli. Ito muna kakainin.
No acid.
Yeah, sagot sa no acid. No acid problem. Kumain ng tama. Kaya ayun. Kakain na muna tayo. Thank you, Bessie.
No acid.
Balik mo na yan. Diba naalala nyo palagi ako nag-aasin? May asin kaya sir? Wala kasi itong lasa eh. Ano mo naman, Bessie? Makikiasin lang. Kasi nga naman, diba? May sakit tayo kaya lately. Ang kinakain natin ay pang walang acid. No acid problem. So mamaya, lagyan ko na kaya ito ng avocado. Hindi na ko masyado kasing gutom kaya tigil-tigil lang muna tayo. Tapos mamaya na lang natin lagyan ng avocado.
Last 2 dating days. Dalawan yun, ito ang pinagsaltawid na. Nung ginawa natin yung company call ngayon, tapos nag-praise and worship tayo, binalik lang niya ako sa first dating day ko ng mga batang Riles na nag-praise and worship tayo. First time kong ma-experience yun sa set. And from that moment, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na itong show na to, itong prod na to, I'm in the right place. Kaya ngayong last 2 dating days, gusto ko lang ulitin sa inyo lahat na we're in the right place. Blessing sa atin to ni Lord. Kaya yung mga natitirang araw, ibuhos natin yung puso natin. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat ng effort na binigay nyo. Konting push na lang at magtapos na tayo. At gusto ko na sabihin na you did a good job, everyone na sa last taping day na kayo. Hindi na kayo mag-check.
Kaya nung sinabi ni Wednesday, halos mahinatay po ako. Charot. Sir Erwin, thank you so much sa pag-consider sa akin sa role. At in fairness, talagang na-realize ko na parang 4 yatang karakter ang ginampanan ko. Comedy!
Nag-take na tayo ng pangalawang eksena. At medyo mabigat yung mga araw na ito dahil last 2 days na lang namin. Kaya kung nakita nyo kanina, nagbigay na ng mga message yung ibang artista. Ako hindi ko pa kayang magbigay kasi hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin. Kaya yun, looking forward kami na matapos sana namin yung mga eksena ngayon kasi mahihirap and at the same time malungkot kasi matatapos na ang taping namin ng mga batang tapos. So di kinukunan namin yung mga na-10 bells na mga ganyan. Tignan nyo yung dumi-dumi namin. Ang dumi. Tapos kaya namin. Pwede masyado pakita lahat. Ang powerful makeup artist natin.
Hindi mo alam, nakakaloka.
Ay, net. Thank you, Bessie.
Good evening, guys. I'm coming to you live from our Cilia massage chair. So if you can hear the noise in the background, I'm having a bit of a massage, and probably the camera's a little bit shaky as well. But it's been quite a long day, and we didn't show everything because we tried to get a sleep in today, and we were sort of successful. I think we had about 8.5 hours sleep, but we did wake up at 9 o'clock, and we got up and we did some fasted abs. So we have this new routine every time we wake up in the morning that we do. It's about 300 to 400 ab workouts. So it's kind of a standing ab workout. We may show it one morning, para mas may idea kayo. But we do that, and then we decided that since we're still fasted, we will also go for a walk. We were planning to go to the gym, but we figured that Diana had taping, so we're probably not going to have enough time, and we'd be rushing, which it ended up, we were kind of rushing, but not too much. So we walked around the village, we did 30 minutes cardio, and then we ended up having breakfast, healthy breakfast. She had oats with peanut butter, honey, and cinnamon, and I had eggs with sausage. So we had that just before we left for taping, and I dropped her off at taping. It was a little bit traffic going there and back. I'm not sure why, because it is Saturday, so I would have thought that there's less traffic. But I got home, and the good thing is on Saturdays the kids go out with our family, so there's absolutely nobody in the house right now. I'm just here alone, and it's super peaceful, so I was able to get a lot done. And I started editing some vlogs and some reels and some pictures, and hopefully by tonight I've finished 3 vlogs and probably about 9 to 10 reels sana. So I got like a bit of a busy night ahead, but at least it's really quiet, so I can focus. And Diana has a lot of scenes today. She said it's their last few taping days, and they're just trying to get through everything and finish up the script and then come to an end. So yeah, I will relax here muna, just taking a little bit of a break. That's why I thought I'd quickly vlog. But after this little massage, I will get back to editing and editing in peace. So yeah, we'll update you later.
May bisita kami, oh. Kamukha ko. Ang ganda. Tapos si Dolor. Injured.
What happened?
What happened?
What happened, Dolores?
I love it. What happened?
Injured, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Injured was made to me.
Kakatapos ng dinner, back to work na daw kami, at tatapusin namin tong mainit na eksena.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted to listen. You have been here since day one, seen my ups and downs, never left my side once, yeah you stuck around. Who knew it was you?
Home na ako mga zoobs. Naku, looking forward tayo kasi second to the last taping day yung kanina. And yun nga, isang taping day na lang for me. Sila dalawa pa. And we are actually preparing for the last day, party. And syempre, medyo sad. Kagaya ng nakita nyo kanina, medyo emotional na ang mga cast. Pero yun nga, hindi rin madali. Syempre, 9 months kami halos magkakatrabaho, and every other day magkakasama. So, hindi magiging maganda yung adjustment after. Pero, syempre, magkikita-kita pa rin naman kami kasi isa lang naman yung ikot ng GMA pagdating sa trabaho. I'm sure yung production, makakatrabaho namin sa mga susunod. Yung mga artista lang, medyo hindi kasi kailangan i-break yung mga batang reels na group dahil nga nakatatak pa siya sa mga mata ng mga tao. Hindi pa sila pwedeng magkakasama ulit. So, salamat sa walang sawa ninyong pag-abang sa journey ng mga Batang Riles at syempre sa taping, sa vlog ko, sa lahat ng pagko-comment niyo. Thank you so much. Hanggang dito na lang tayo and good night.